Why hello, this is 3 of 6, and I've taken a small break in recording my Super Meat Boy Let's Play to have a quick rant about controls in a game. This is Lego Marvel, which I completed the other day. It is fun. I like the whole Grand Theft Auto-esque running around in a city, just generally mowing people down. The controls of vehicles make sense. However, and now the camera angle is going to just abandon me. Okay, here we go. I've seen a few rants about this particular bit. There are a few videos, probably a lot. So these are remote control cars. And if I steer left, he goes left. Now if I try and steer right, we get this lovely driving around in circles thing. And this was one of the challenges I needed to get 100%. So I'd left it because it was difficult. I mean, as you can see, the fact is I just completely missed that one because I steered at it. As a driver, I find this particular method of controlling this type of vehicle really difficult. Although it reminds me of a certain bunch of games I used to play involving some very small vehicles. And this is where the challenge gets really derpy. Multiple times I failed it because of that. Damn, that's really irritating. The fact that you can't steer it in a straight line over a jump. So I'm being way too quiet in this video. My rant seems to have become a quiet rant. Now, I like the Lego games. In fact, I really like the Lego games. I hate this stupid little challenge. But there you go, I've just shown that it is in fact possible. But that's the second time I've managed to achieve that. Basically, you have to ignore how cars steer and acknowledge the fact that this steers by your position on the control stick and not like a car would steer. You have to be very gentle. If you're not, stuff goes bad. And now I am the Silver Surfer. Well, I think that concludes a really random, non-specifically detailed rant about controls of a vehicle. Yeah. And we can blow them up. But it's okay because it's made of Lego and it just comes back together. And in one of my attempts, in fact, one of these vehicles blew up midway along a straight. And then when it respawned the wreckage in my way, so I blew up again. I have been 3 of 6, and that has been how to do that really annoying challenge. Bye for now.